Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on new answers on your Quora app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Quora app. So you just go up here, you click here on this picture here or app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just go down here, you click here on settings and you come to settings window. Just switching to open with you like this and you just click here on email and notifications and you come here to next window, then you click here on push notifications and you come to next window, just switching to show for you like this. You click here on general questions answers, then you come to next window here, just come here to new answers. You will click here on this sign and like you see this color show for us, that's when your answers it's so on now. I wish know you are great. That's all, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.